Oh, hey Asa!
Oh, hello everyone!
What are you doing here?
You know what? You still remember about the previous video
Oh yeah,
about the flowering, right?
yeah. About the avocado flowering?
That's right. And you know what, guys? It's already have a result in it,
Oh
and
yeah.
it's growing more flowers now.
Oh, yesterday is not look so.
It's not that big, right?
Yeah.
Now it's already big enough, and there's so many flowers that new flower blossoming from it.
Oh yeah.
And I
Oh,
think
I'm curious to see that.
I will have a lot of avocado in it,
Oh my god.
tons of it, I guess.
Oh yeah, probably.
You want to see
You
it?
will.
You want to see it, right?
What kind of flower? What kind of avocado is this? Is it?
The first that I want to show you is the most interesting one. The
What
most magnificent.
The most magnificent?
Because the shape of the fruit is almost like an aubergine. Or like an
Aubergine.
eggplant.
Yeah.
I think you already know. If you're the real viewers of my video,
Yeah.
you will know about the variety of it.
Oh yeah.
Can you guess what it is?
Let me guess. Like a virgin?
Like an aubergine.
Aubergine?
The fruit shape is like an aubergine.
Oh. Is it Sep 034?
That's right. It's Sep or trifle.
Oh my gosh.
You're getting more smarter now.
Yeah.
Everyone will know the most magnificent variety of avocado
Okay.
because the flesh in it,
Mm-hmm.
almost 80% of it is flesh.
Oh my.
It's a meat of the fruit itself,
Yeah.
and the seed is small.
Mhm.
You can wait any longer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me show you about it.
This is the progress that you shown yesterday?
It's the progress. It's already showing a progress, guys. Look at it. There's also a new bursting flower here.
Oh yeah, that's it is. Oh, it's really flower.
Yeah, there's many flower, right?
Yeah.
And look at it. It's starting to grow or perching more now.
Yeah. And is there any a bigger one? So
You want to see the bigger one?
yeah.
Of course, we have it here.
Where is it?
Look at it.
Oh.
There's many of it.
Oh my gosh.
I think
You are
I should
right.
remove this leaf,
Yeah.
Get it?
Let me see. Oh, you're right. Many flower here, so will be birds, many fruit.
Yeah, that's right. We will have a ton of fruit from it.
Oh my gosh.
And do you want to know why I say this variety is magnificent?
Yeah.
Come look at it. I love this variety of fruit.
Oh, this is just to say this fruit is magnificent.
Yeah, because the shape
Because
of
of
it.
this.
Yeah, the shape, you can see the shape, right?
Yeah.
The flesh of it,
Yeah.
almost 80% of it is a flesh.
Oh my gosh.
So,
Oh my.
and it can grow more bigger than it. It's still a little one.
Oh
I
yeah.
see many pictures that it can be this long.
Oh.
From one fruit, we can get 3 kilograms of it.
Oh my gosh.
Have you ever imagined about that?
Can you imagine if there are many flowering here?
If many flowering here and it's all successful,
Yeah.
how many how many fruit that we can get from it?
Oh my gosh.
And if you want to be a crazy rich,
Yeah.
in my opinion or just listen my advice,
Yeah.
you need to start farming, guys,
Oh.
because farming is profitable. And if you know about it, but the avocado like this,
Yeah.
per kilogram it can be purchased around $10
$10.
per kilogram.
Can you imagine that?
Yeah.
How rich you can be.
How rich you can be? It's just one fruit like this can be 3 kilograms.
Yeah.
So per fruit you can get $30.
Oh, have you shut the price of that fruit?
Yeah, I have searched about this price of this fruit and it's expensive
Oh my god.
because also avocado is a superfood, right?
Yeah.
And everybody can eat this kind of fruit,
Yeah.
but nobody ever realized. No, not any generation now realized about how
Oh. And you will to show me
others of it. We have
others
a
of it? Oh,
fruit here.
yeah.
It's already growing more bigger than the first video, right?
Yeah. Let
Oh.
me see.
The
Oh
first
my
video is
gosh.
still
Oh, it's getting bigger now.
this big, but now, oh my god! Just imagine I get 6 kilos
Yeah.
just from 2 fruits, guys.
Oh my.
Can you imagine if all of this flower birching a fruit, all of it?
Oh my
I
god.
will get around 100 kilograms, I guess.
Yeah.
Or 60.
Oh yeah.
I want to show you more of it because
I want to see the other flower that you say.
yeah, there's many things that flowering now.
Okay.
And after it, I will show you the most magnificent, also magnificent variety of avocado
Mhm.
because we haven't known the name of variety yet.
Oh, but how about the taste?
If you watch our previous video once again, guys,
Yeah.
the video about reviewing the avocado,
Yeah.
it melted like an ice cream.
Oh yeah.
Yep, that's right. I can. Oh my god, I still remember about the taste, and it's heaven.
Oh
I never taste the avocado the same taste like that.
yeah.
But oh, come on, I can't wait any longer to see it, guys.
Oh yeah.
Come here.
Where is it? Oh, let me see
Here.
the flowering
Yeah, there's
first.
more flower, right?
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at it.
Oh yeah. You're right.
There's many of it.
You're right. Asa is right, guys.
And also look at
It's
it, guys.
really-
It's already becoming a flower.
Yeah.
And after this, I will
Pollinated. Need to pollinate it. Yeah.
pollinate it, and after that, I will have to spray it with a organic fertilizer, you know,
Oh, there is it.
and
That's
organic
it.
pesticide,
Oh,
so there is
yeah.
no pest that going to ruin my flowers.
Yeah.
You can see a lot of fruit there, a lot of
Okay.
new fruit.
Oh yeah. That's it, guys. There's so many here.
There's many.
Can you see that?
I'm gonna lie.
Yeah, you're right, Asa. You're right.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Come here. I want to show you the next variety of it.
Okay.
Come here. And we also have a king of fruit here,
King
a
of
durian.
fruit? Oh, durians.
This one, guys, the variety that I showed you yesterday,
Yeah.
that I reviewed the taste of it,
Yeah.
and come here. The taste of it is like an heaven,
Like in heaven.
heavenly,
Oh my
because
gosh.
it melt in our mouth just like an ice cream, instantly. And the taste of it, sweet, buttery, oily,
Creamy?
creamy.
Oh my.
Don't ask that. It's always be creamy, more creamier than others here.
Yeah.
But now we have a lot of new sprouting
Oh,
fruit
over there. Oh my gosh.
There's many flowers there.
Yeah.
up there.
You're right. You're right. Let's check it out.
And
Oh,
also
there it is.
this one.
Oh, there it is, guys.
Oh,
Oh,
just imagine it, guys. If we have a tons of that variety of the fruit, oh my!
gosh.
I will eat all of it, guys.
Oh yeah.
And I think it's really expensive, you know,
Yeah.
because the taste of it, just oh my god! I never believed that
Mm-hmm.
avocado will taste that delicious.
Oh.
So delicious until I lose all of my words there.
Oh,
In that
yeah.
moment, I feel, oh, it's not like a regular avocado, you know.
Yeah.
It's like the mix of butter,
Mm-hmm.
apple because it's sweet, and also an ice cream.
An ice cream?
It's the merge of
It
three of
melt
the-
in your mouth?
Yes, melt instantly. I say it too many times, I guess, but it's reality, guys.
Oh.
Here, we got a lot of new flowers here.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah,
There
they're
it is.
blossoming now.
Yeah, it's blossoming now.
We just need to wait until it get pollinated,
Yeah.
and yeah.
Oh.
Oh, you know what, guys? It's the seed of this plant.
Oh.
It's already cracking, right?
Yeah.
And we can plant it
You
in
can
our
plant it.
special rice grain,
Oh.
like in the previous video when
Yeah.
I show you how we make the seedling, right? How we
Yeah.
grow the seedlings. Just watch the video, guys. I will make that, and wow,
Look at it.
beautiful, right?
Yeah.
I must store it now. Maybe here.
Yeah.
I think
Okay.
there's one. That's one fruit that's falling off from this tree,
Yeah.
and yeah, it's
And
rotten.
can you show me the other's flower?
The other flower. Look at it, guys. I think you're
Oh.
really interested with the flower, right?
Yeah, so I want to improve for all that you are not lying, guys.
Yeah, I'm not lying, of course.
Yeah.
There's many things that are proof, right?
Yeah.
Even though the sound, it sounds kind of unpopular, not unpopular, but impossible.
Yeah.
It sounds impossible, but in reality, everything can happen. Everything is possible, guys.
Yeah.
So don't ever try to give up on anything.
Yeah.
Just do whatever you want, and someday you will be successful
Yeah.
if you want to be yourself.
Yeah.
And look at it. We also have a one
Oh, still one.
It's just
still.
one.
Oh yeah.
Because the other one, I think it's falling off.
Yeah.
And we haven't noticed it. And it's rotten. That's why we kept the seeds, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The next,
Oh, let me see that.
that is still. Oh my god. I didn't notice about it.
Yeah.
And look at it, guys.
Oh, there is it. Oh my gosh.
We kept a lot of it. And the next one, I want to show you the most productive, I guess.
Oh.
The second most productive fruit.
Yeah.
It's the Put 7.
Put 7?
Yeah.
What kind variety
It's
that?
variety from Vietnam, you know.
Vietnam's. Oh my gosh.
So it's introductory fruit or imported fruit.
Imported fruit from Vietnam.
That's right.
Okay.
I want to show you that. Just keep up with me.
Oh,
Here,
yeah.
the road. The road
Oh,
here.
yeah. I'll follow you then.
Here.
I'm just curious, you know.
Yeah, you're really curious about it. And look at it, guys. We have some ube here.
Ube?
Yeah. Ube
Oh.
or sweet potato.
Oh,
It's also the same with cassava
yeah.
and it can be eaten.
Okay.
Mostly people here make it like a crepes of it.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah. Or like a crackers.
Yeah.
They make it like that. Here, guys. So we need to take this road.
Okay.
It's quite slippery. But wow.
Oh,
Wait. Look at that.
what's that? Oh, yeah.
There's many
Oh.
things.
Oh, I get the unchen here.
Wow, really?
Yeah. Here.
There's many of it here. Look at it. Let's get a farming.
Oh, yeah.
Let's pick it up, guys, before we go to the next destination.
Yeah. Oh my God. Can eat it, right?
Yeah, we can eat it. If you see our previous video, it tastes like a strawberry, you know?
Yeah.
There's person that really curious about it until they just I can imagine it.
Yeah.
It's really delicious, you know.
Okay.
There's many here and it grows wildly.
Oh.
Wildly.
So it's wild plant, you know?
Yeah, it's wild plant.
Mm-hmm.
It's delicious and can lie about that.
And healthy too.
It's healthy, of course. And here, it's the road here.
Oh,
It's up there. So it's like a prehistoric time, you know.
yeah, you're right. Like a prehistoric time. Oh my gosh.
We're like nowhere.
Yeah.
Yes. It's the beauty of our nature, you know.
Yeah.
I think there's many people that won't see anything like this before.
Yeah.
Up here.
Oh, down there.
Look at it. It's also a coconut tree here.
Yeah.
We got a lot of it here.
Okay.
It's also the other one, guys, that I
Other
already
one?
watering yesterday.
Oh yeah.
It's sprouting
It's-
more stem, right?
Yeah.
Here.
And more white.
It's whitely now.
Yeah.
Here, guys. Look at it.
This the avocado that you want to show us
That's right.
about
Like I told you before, it's a Put 7.
Boot 7?
Yesterday, I think I already showed the before that it's growing a lot of fruit, right? A
Yeah.
lot of new leaf.
Yeah.
A lot of new flowers.
Yeah.
Many new here.
Yeah.
Oh. More sprouting now. Oh
Oh my
my
god.
God.
Oh. There's many here.
It's spreading
All right.
everywhere.
You're right, Isa. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh.
I haven't tasted fruit of it before.
Yeah.
And I think it's going to be pretty good.
Oh.
Because many people say that. And it's a premium one.
Yeah. Here it is. Here they are. Whoa.
Here they are.
Here they are.
There are many of it, right?
Many of.
Yesterday
You
it's just...
spray here with an organic?
That's right. We always use an organic methods here. We
Ah.
never try to be a jerk that destroying our environment using our
Oh.
chemicals. No.
So you use organic for that?
Organic, that's right.
And that is the result of organic that you use?
Yeah. We use the organic and the Mother Earth love it.
Yeah.
And the Mother Earth give me the best result of it, you know.
Oh yeah.
Just look at it.
Oh my gosh.
How
You're
great
right.
it will be if all of these flowers becoming a fruit, guys.
Yeah. I can
Like I
I
told
can
you before.
imagine that.
It can be a ton of fruit, you know.
Mm-hmm. I'm agree with you
That's
guys.
why I really interested in farming.
Mhm.
Because in farming we love our nature, we supply our oxygen, not just like normal industrial worker, you know.
Yeah.
That's just polluting the world
Mm-hmm.
and they doing nothing.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
why That's why I told you, like before, you must start farming, guys, because farming is fun and it's helping the world to become better and better. See you in the next video.